It's family dinner time, and it's all using Gotham steel. Here I've got the Gotham Steel Pro, big pan that's got a fantastic cool to the touch handle that's got a nice grip on it. This is the upgrade that came out a couple years after the original. Lots of people have got this and upgraded their kitchen. We do a massive set, so if you really want to just start again, this is the one to go for. So what I'm going to do is an egg fried rice, and it's kind of just using leftovers, which people love, and the kids love this dish. I've got some rice that was yesterday's rice. I've got some egg that I just chopped up. I've got a little bit of edamame, but you can use peas, and then just things from the pantry, like some sesame soy, garlic, and a little bit of ginger. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to this pan. Not that you need to, but I do want to get that rice nice and cooked through. And that's got to just warm because it's cooked, but it's just kind of dried a little bit. So we want nice dry rice. When you're doing egg fried rice, if it's wet at all, it's never going to be the right way that you should have egg fried rice. And the beauty of this is look how you get that kind of chef rhythm here. It's got a beautiful curvature, but it's the non-stick. So look at that. Just every time it works like this. I'm going to grab spatula, and I just want to get that rice all nice and broken up so it's going to warm through. And again, just a little bit of rice that was cooked the day before. Never throw it out. Always find a way to use leftovers. You're going to save some money, and you're going to use a pan that works. We've sold millions of these, and the response has just been amazing. People love how easy it is to kind of really cook and then dry up and clean up a dish. A pan in no time whatsoever. You can even put these in the dishwasher. They're oven safe up to 500 degrees, and it's got a wonderful ceramic finish, and you can just see how that glides around. And I couldn't do this with any pan. I've done a lot of work in Asia, and egg fried rice is just a big dish I've made there all the time. When I'm given an old pan that's got scratches in it, and it was once a non-stick, but it's not a non-stick anymore, I can't do this, and it makes life so difficult. So this is easy cooking. Going to throw in some egg. Going to throw in some edamame, which is great colour. I'm going to put in a little bit of sesame oil. It's got all that flavour. You can certainly do a little bit of chili if you want, but I'm going to make this for my daughter, who's 9, and she doesn't like too much chili. Now I've got that kind of lazy garlic, but this one's a really good one. It's not the very grinded dry one, it's just got a nice freshness to it. Ginger, oh yeah, lots of it. Freshly grated if you can find it. And the biggest ingredient of all is a little bit of soy, which would rip another pan to shreds because it would just stick and it would get in there and it would be impossible to clean. I'm doing it with a smile because I know that will never happen here. That's it. Leftover egg fried rice. One more thing. Let's get it in that bowl and garnish it up. Whoops. Let's get it in that bowl and garnish it up with a little bit of scallion. That's just going to go on top for a little bit of crunch. Got a nice Chinese bowl here, so it's going to make me feel like I'm back in Hong Kong having a big sticky egg fried rice that probably has got a lot more oil than this did. Look at that pan. I mean, honestly, that's had burning hot soy sauce in it. That's had everything. It's as clean as a whistle. That's the impressive part about Gotham Steel. Love it. Every time works. Now, I'm just going to pop my hot pan on the side. I'm going to garnish with a little bit of scallion. We can just add a tiny bit of soy on top. And there you have a leftover dish that is delicious, the whole family likes, and guess what? I've got a clean pan.